In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. It's a bit tricky to go into Permission Manager, so follow all of those steps. I can assure you, you will find it. Hit Google. Select all services over here next to Recommended. And scroll down to click on Autofill with Google. Now finally you can select Google Password Manager. Hit Accounts at the bottom left corner and tap on Add Password to add a new one to your manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and then access any of your apps. Log in and wait for the pop-up to show. Then select Save at the bottom right corner of Save Password pop-up and go back to Google Password Manager. Click on it, tap on Accounts at the bottom left corner and your password will be here. With it, Add Password option. So finally you can click on it and add your password by inputting all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!